what is up, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just showing you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working on. Now, not really been a lot going on in the past, like, week and a half, 2 weeks since I got the Turbo Civic done. The owner was happy with it. He called me a couple times, but I was actually busy, so I hadn't talked to him. But last night was, you can hear the wind right now. Last night, what was it, hurricane or tropical storm Zeta came through, and let me show you what happened. And super duper lucky with this, right? So we had a couple trees fall. Now I've cut this up as much as I can because I don't actually have a chainsaw, but it did fall on the truck, and you can see here in the back some limbs broke off inside the bed of the truck. And I've got a small Ryobi chainsaw, so I cut a lot of these limbs off as much as I could because it's really small. It's only an 8-inch. So you can see here everything that fell, and I am just so fucking lucky that it didn't hit the house. But what it did hit was, and you can see back here, my tow dolly. It hit my tow dolly. It's actually on the wheel over there. So, like I said, I have somebody coming to help me cut it up tomorrow with a chainsaw. But I'm not sure if this tow dolly is just done or if it just, you know, popped a wheel or whatever. But there is a couple of more big trees over there that fell last night. And you can, maybe you can see up there, the top of that tree. A big chunk of that tree just broke off. I guess it was like swaying or whatever, and it broke off. But this I mean, compared to my hand, right, and down there is way bigger. So yeah, that's what it is. One of the branch that hit my truck on the front actually hit the windshield. Thank God it didn't bust the windshield. So other than the tow dolly, I mean, you know, I can be considered lucky because it could have hit the side of the house here, and then I would have had to fix the siding, you know, the walls, the roof, and all that stuff. So and the weird thing is, this tree is so big, and when it fell, it had to be in like the middle of the night or whatever, but I didn't even hear it fall. Neither did my wife or anybody else. So came out here today, I started cutting it up, and you know, that's as far as I could get. But that's pretty much it. It's a pain in the ass, but I gotta say, look on the bright side. It didn't crush my truck, it didn't hit the house, it didn't hit the deck. So yeah, it is what it is right now. And got a bunch of firewood. So cut all this stuff up. I got a bunch of firewood, so you know, that's gonna be free. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and take it easy.